Akala ko nang nag-iisa, andyan ka lang pala. Mahiwaga, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Mahiwaga ang nadarama, sa'yo'y malinaw.
Minsan, nakakatagpo tayo ng tamang tao sa maling pagkakataon. Minsan naman, maling tao sa tamang panahon. It happens. So, wala na tayong magagawa kundi pakawalan sila at hintayin ang tamang panahon. Pero paano kung dumating na ang tamang panahon? May tamang pagmamahal pa ba? O huli na ang lahat?
Okay, sarap sa ilalim ng kalawakan, kapag kapiling ka, tumitik sa kawalan. Saksi ang buwan at bituin sa pagmamahalan nating dalawa, nating dalawa.
I love you, Lexi.
Thank you, love. Thank you for always understanding me.
It's okay, love. Ano naman na I can't win with your studies. Especially na magdodoktor ka pa. Dito lang ako to support you, okay? Don't worry. I will always be here for you. As in, always.
Sure ka? As in, always? We.
Ano ka ba? Kailan ba ako napagod sa'yo? Hindi ako mapapagod sa'yo, Lexi. Or should I say, ang doktora, Selva?
Hoy, hindi pa, no? Hindi nga ako sure if magiging doktora pa ako eh. Sa dami ba naman ng schoolworks namin?
Ano ba? You will be a doctor. I believe in you. Pero love, for tonight, sana huwag mo munang isipin yung studies mo. Kahit ngayon lang, huwag mo munang isipin na may gagawin ka. Magpahinga ka rin. You deserve a break.
Okay, my engineer.
His name is Kyle, my boyfriend for 5 years. He has been patient and supportive for me sa studies ko, na hindi niya ako pinipressure na bigyan siya ng oras. Palagi kasi akong busy sa studies ko, kaya hindi ko na siya nabibigyan ng oras. Maliban na lang ngayong gabi, dahil anniversary namin, and at the same time, gusto ko rin bumawi sa kanya. We talk a lot and made up for each other. Lahat ng mga na-miss namin ay kinuwento namin magdamag hanggang sa napagod kami. It is a time well spent because we really enjoyed it.
Prepare your blank notebook. We have a surprise quiz today.
Kaya namin next week na yung quiz.
Oo nga, kasi hindi kami tuloy nakapag-prepare.
Shh! Hindi ka magiging doktor kung bingi ka. Okay. Ang quiz natin ngayon is up to 100. It's a surprise quiz. What do you expect from the word surprise? You will be informed? You all want to be a doctor for Pete's sake, and you are not prepared? You should be prepared regardless of the situation. Paano pag may nabangga sa kali at nandun kayo? You will just complain because you never expected it would happen? Common sense, common sense. Class dismiss. Miss Silva, please stay. I'm sorry, Miss Silva. Ikaw yung pinakamababa ngayon. Remember, magdo-doctor ka. Don't excuse me with the word na kalimutan. You should study more. Do you understand?
I can do this. I can memorize this. Kaya ko to. Days passed, and I am still so focused with my studies to the point that I forgot I have a boyfriend. He always visits me, but when he visits, I'm sleeping. I just have this note beside me when I wake up saying he passed by to bring me food. Yung ilang araw lang na ganito ang naging routine namin. Umabot ng ilang araw, linggo, hanggang sa 3 buwan. Hindi na kami nag-uusap at nagsasama masyado.
Oh, love. Nandito na pala tayo. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Nakatulog ako. Ang dami kasi kaninang gawain sa lab.
Okay lang yan, love. Magpahinga kaya ka muna sa sa studies mo. Mukha kasing wala ka ng pahinga eh. Date kaya tayo bukas. My treat.
Love, alam mo naman na wala akong time sa date-date na yan, di ba? I'm very busy right now. At saka, ang dami kong gagawin ngayon. Hindi ako pwede magpahinga kung hindi ko matatapos yun. I'm so sorry, love. Anyway, thank you sa pagkatid, ah.
Lex, kahit isang araw lang. Miss na kita.
Kyle, you know we always have surprise quizzes. Hindi ko na nga alam kung ano pabibigay ng professor namin. So, dapat preparado ako. Dapat nakapag-aral ako. Kyle, hindi ko kaya mapahiya.
Love, what can I do ba? Ano kailangan ko gawin para mahiram kita kahit isang araw lang? Tsaka naman, a day can't lose your way.
No. Remember when we had a date? I rested for 1 day only. Pero ano? Bumaba yung mga grades ko. I was embarrassed of forgetting all of my answers. So you cannot just tell me that nothing will lose. Siguro pa ganito, if you can't understand me, mas mabuti na siguro na ano.
What? Ano, love? Mabuti ng ano?
Mas mabuti na siguro na maghiwalay na tayo.
Hindi, love. Hindi ako papayag. Please, love. Huwag mo naman ako iiwan. Forget what I said, please. Naiintindihan ko naman yung sitwasyon mo ngayon. Dito lang ako, love. Alam niyo wala yung magaganap. Love. Dito lang ako, love.
Kyle, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You don't deserve me. You deserve someone that will value your time and effort. Hindi ako yun. Pasensya ka na. Sorry. Sorry. Hindi ko mabibigay sa'yo yun.
Hindi, love. Ikaw lang gusto ko. Wala nang iba. Ikaw lang.
Masyado na tayo naging focus sa relationship natin. Eh. Nakalimutan na natin yung mga responsibilidad natin sa buhay.
Lex, that's not true. Okay lang naman na hindi mo ako bigyan ng oras eh. Maiintindihan ko. Basta, walang sana ganito. Kaya ko naman mag-antay, Lex. Maghihintay ako. I don't care how long it takes. As long as kasama kita. I don't care. Huwag na sana nating tapusin to. Please.
Swerte ng bagong mamamahalin. I know someone can take care of you more than I can. Palayain mo na yung sarili mo sa akin.
Hindi ako papayag, Lexi.
Maybe when the time is right, I hope that you will find me again so that we can start all over again. I'm sorry.
Don't say goodbye. It's hard to let you go. Tomorrow seems so far away for me to know if you and I will always be in love forevermore.
I can't afford losing him, but I don't want to see him struggling anymore because of me. He deserves time. He deserves to be valued. He deserves better. He deserves the best. And I couldn't give it to him right now because he's not my main goal, my main priority. Siguro nga, hindi pa to ang tamang panahon. This is for him. I don't want to see him asking for time to the person who couldn't give it willingly. He doesn't deserve me at all. I know someday he will thank me for giving up on him, because that day he will appreciate the woman who was there for him at his worst. I feel like my world turned upside down. I have nothing to say anymore but cry and cry until I lost all my strengths.
Dr. Silva, your patient in the room is already on her HCM.
Sige, susunod ako.
Thank you.
Great. I still have free time. It's been 10 years. It's been 10 years and I still love the idea of waking up every day knowing I have so many patients to be cured. Hanggang ngayon ay hindi ko pa rin mapigilan mapangiti kapag tinatawag akong doktora. The biggest flex that deserves to be bragged. Ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam na kilala ka bilang isang doktora. Hindi ko mapigilan ngumiti palagi kapag may tumatawag sa akin ng doktora. I am always grateful for having this title. Wait, am I seeing him? My heart starts beating more than it does. I feel like my world stopped for a while that I barely hear the noises of the people inside this hospital. Tanging naririnig ko lang ay ang lakas ng pagpintig ng puso ko. Is it really him? Siya na ba talaga yan? O namamalikmata lang ako? Damn, I couldn't move. Hindi ako makahinga. What the hell is wrong with me? Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganito ang puso ko ngayon. But I feel happy seeing him right now.
Lex? Ikaw na ba yan?
Oh God, how I missed his voice.
How are you?
Gosh, I want to hug him so bad. It's been 10 years. It's been 10 years and I admit I am still into him.
Doktor ka na pala ngayon? I'm very happy na natupad mo yung pangarap mo. So, kamusta ka ngayon, Dr. Silva?
Doktora? He used to call me my doktora. Of course, everything has changed, Lexi. Ano pa bang ini-expect mo? I'm fine. Thank you. Ikaw, kamusta ka?
Excuse me, Doktora. Doktora Ville... I'm sorry to interrupt. Doktora Ville Esther is waiting for you. Emergency.
Go. Don't mind me. Tsaka, Lex, I'm proud of you. See you around, Lex.
He's still the Kyle I used to know. Very patient and understanding.
Hello po, Doc. Ngayon pa.
I remembered when we dreamed about our first baby. Babae rin gusto niya. Maybe soon, since I already got my degree. Maybe this time is the time to choose myself, to build the family I want. I will make up with him. I promise. Hahanapin ko siya mamaya. Hindi ko alam pero sobrang saya ko ngayon. I don't know if he's still mad, but seeing him at nakausap ko siya, parang hindi naman. Gosh, I feel the excitement. I know we met for a reason.
Congratulations, Mrs. It's a girl.
Maybe this is already the right time for us. Tama nga. Kung kayo, pagtatagpuin talaga kayo ng tadhana.
Oh. Hi. Dito ka pa pala? Sorry kanina ha. Hindi tayo nakapag-usap.
Lex, it's okay. Naiintindihan ko naman. Lalo na ngayon, doktor ka na talaga.
Hindi ka pa rin talaga nagbabago, no?
sobrang maintindihan mo pa rin.
Kumalma ka, Lexi. You will invite him for a coffee pa naman. So, mamaya ka na maging marupok.
Ano palang ginagawa mo dito? May binibisita ka ba?
Asawa ko.
Wait, what? Asawa? As in, wife?
Yes, asawa. She's actually having labor right now. Though, hindi ko alam kung nalabas na yung baby namin kasi it's kind of unpredictable yung pregnancy niya. Actually, we've been here since last night. Nag-aalala na nga ako
Wow, I mean, congrats. First baby?
No, second na to.
Parang namanhid mga paa ko at hindi makagalaw sa tinayuan ko. Why do I feel so betrayed? Why do I feel this way when in fact, I chose to leave him 10 years ago?
Oh, hey, huwag kang umiyak.
I'm sorry. Shame on me for expecting that you waited.
Lex, it's already been 10 years.
I know. I know, sobrang tagal na nun. I'm sorry. I still love you. I thought this is already the right time for us to continue what we have started. I thought we met for a reason. And I thought that destiny let our shadows cross again. Because tayo pa rin magkakatuluyan.
And he held my hand for the first time after 10 years. And I feel safe. I feel like I'm home again.
I guess you haven't read the letter that I sent for you.
What letter? Sumulat ka ba?
Oo. You should check your Gmail sometime.
Hey, it's been a while. Kamusta ka na kaya ngayon? Nakamit mo na ba yung pangarap mo na maging doktor? May bago na bang nagpapatibok ng puso mo? Nagtataka nga ako kung naalala mo pa ba yung mukha ko? Di ko alam. Baka nga hindi na. Baka nga nakalimutan mo na nga ako. O kung anong meron tayo dati. Pero I just really hope na you're happy right now. Remember when you told me na maybe when the time is right, I hope you will find me again so that we can start all over again. Pasensya ka na, Lexa. I'm afraid to say na I'm not sure anymore. Baka pag tumating yung tamang panahon, I won't love you anymore. Minahal kita ng buong puso ko, Lex. Pinigay ko lahat na kaya kong ibigay. Pero baka nga hindi talaga tayo para sa isa't isa. Baka pinagtagpo lang talaga tayo para matuto sa isa't isa. Sobrang hirap nung nawala ka, Alex. Sa sobrang hirap, akala ko di ko kakayanin. Pero nakilala ko si Jade. Pinaramdam niya sa akin kung paano ulit mahalin. Binigyan niya ako ng pag-asa. Binigyan niya ako ng chance na ma-prove ulit yung sarili ko. Kaya nung nagkakilala kami, pinangako ko sarili ko na wala akong gagawing masama na ikasisira ng relasyon namin. And this is all because of you, Lexi. You helped me become a better person. Kaya ngayon, Lexi, hinihiling ko talaga na makahanap ka ng taong mamahalin ka ng buong buo. Mamahalin ka sa bawat tibok ng puso nila. Hinihiling ko na makahanap ka ng taong mananatili sa gilid mo. I hope you find someone who wants to be there for you when things are messy and difficult. Yung tipong taong sasamahan ka sa mga panahong masaya at sa mga panahong nahihirapan kayo. Go, Lex. Fall in love again. You deserve the entire world. And I sincerely hope you can find comfort in your darkest moments. Thank you for everything, Lex. Thank you for teaching me a lesson of life. Thank you for making me realize my worth. Thank you for leaving me so that I can find my lost self. Salamat ha. Salamat na rin kasi nakita ko yung para talaga sa akin. Tandaan mo, Lex. You will always have a special place in my heart. Sincerely yours, Kyle.
Hindi ko kayang umibig muli habang buhay na lang kitang hihintayin. Hindi ko kayang umibig muli habang buhay na lang kitang hihintayin. Hindi ko kayang umibig muli habang buhay na lang kita hihintayin. Hindi ko kayang umibig muli habang buhay na lang kita hihintayin. Habang buhay na lang kita hihintayin. Habang buhay na lang kita hihintayin.
Never have I expected that I will be watching him being with a girl he really loves right now. To the family he built when I wasn't there for him. That feeling when you have everything, but you still have nothing. Yeah, I have achieved my degree and reached my dream profession in real life. But at the same time, I lost the person I dreamt of spending a happy life with.
Hindi ko kayang umibig muli habang buhay na lang kita hihintayin. Hindi ko kayang umibig muli habang buhay na lang kita hihintayin.
Ay, kagaga!
Oh my gosh! I'm so sorry! Hindi ko talaga nakita. Wrong timing ba ako? Nagmamadali ka ba? Shit, I'm so clumsy. Bilan na lang kita ng new one.
No. It's fine. It's okay. Actually, may exhibit ako ngayon. 30 minutes from now.
Shit, wrong timing nga ako. So, what can I do to pay you?
No, it's fine. Actually, you didn't cause any trouble. Actually, you're just in time.
What?
Do you believe in the right person at the right time?
Excuse me? Hindi ako naniniwala sa ganyan. Siguro, sa right person at the wrong time, pwede pa. Nangyari na sa akin eh.
Seriously? You know what? Yung mga taong meet natin at the wrong time are just the wrong people. You'll never meet the right people at the wrong time. Kasi, yung mga tamang tao are just timeless. Yung mga tamang tao will throw away their plans, their ambition, para sa mga taong mahal nila. And at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin at pipiliin ng tamang tao.
So, what are you trying to imply?
Coffee date, and I'll tour you inside.
What? Diba, may exhibit ka mamaya? Actually, ngayon na nga, oh.
Maybe this will be the first and the last, and I don't want that to happen. Let me tour you inside, and after that, can we take a coffee?
Okay.
umaga na sa ating duyan. Wag nang mawawala. Umaga na sa ating duyan. Magmamahal o mahiwaga.
Dear X, salamat. Salamat din kasi pinaramdam mo sa akin kung paano mahalin ng buo, kahit sa panandaliang oras lang. Thank you for making me believe in love again. Thank you for giving me another chance to fall in love again. Maybe not with you, but with someone else. You know what? Maybe he was right. Maybe we never meet the right people at the wrong time because the right people are timeless. The right people will throw the plans they initially had when someone they love needed them. Na kahit ano pang mangyari, pipiliin at pipiliin ka ng tamang tao. That no matter what you thought you wanted before, this is at least better. Everything is better since they came along.